Hello, and thank you for joining me again. Today, the star of the video is going to be moringa. And this moringa powder is loaded with so many nutrients and minerals that after you, well, probably tomorrow or in the next couple of days, I will elaborate on the benefits of moringa. Once you know how beneficial it is for your body, you are going to buy it and you're going to want to make this drink every single day. So I've had this for a while. Well, actually, I just bought one, but as you can see, I have a container full of it. And I put them in mason jars and then put them in the fridge. But this is really good for you. I found out how beneficial it is, and I do plan on drinking it every day. So I found a great recipe. And by the way, yesterday I had told you I wasn't sure how much this bag was. It's $8.97, and it does have 60 cups of greens per container, so it's worth it, right? So let's put this aside for now. I have put a teaspoon of the moringa powder. I've already put it in there. You could work your way up and use 2 teaspoons or a tablespoon. Depends on how your body reacts to it. It might be a little strong for some people. So just maybe start with half a teaspoon and maybe up to a tablespoon. I'm starting with the teaspoon. So we'll see. I have already added a dash of stevia, and some coconut milk is what they suggest in the recipe. But if you don't have any, maybe you can use coconut cream and dilute it with water. There's nothing that says you can't do that. But that's what I've done. I have already heated it up in this container, so it's very hot. So I've gotten my, it's like 3 ingredients. The stevia, coconut milk, the moringa, and the water. So it's actually 4, not the water, 3. Okay, so we're gonna pour this hot liquid in there, the coconut milk, and you're gonna love it. It's really good. And you don't want to bring it to a boil. You want to just bring it right before a boil. And we're gonna put this lid on. I have a little thing here that that is usually there, but I don't like to keep it closed because of the steam. You know, you need to let it out a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna put this there. You can see my new blender there. I love red appliances, don't you? Okay, so let's say 10 seconds. You're gonna love it. Okay, and I get to use my new green cup. I love new cups, fun cups, because there's millions of cups, but I like fun cups. This is a ceramic cup. Okay, as you can see, one day I'll be able to afford a videographer to help me zoom in on what I'm doing, but look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but look at the froth. Can you see that? It's very good. You're gonna love it. Nice and frothy. You probably don't have to put it in the blender, but I would, just to give it that frothiness. Tomorrow I will continue, or maybe the next couple of days, of all the benefits of moringa. In the meantime, be well, be blessed, and thank you for watching. Good night. And until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.